Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Uh, to surprise or to my thought process so far about this automation thing, uh, naming a product or naming a technology is not something which gonna help us.
Yeah.
I'm pretty confident on that, and I think my colleague and industry partner will agree on that. That one thing which is very much missing at the moment in all together, in whole manufacturing system at the moment, is two verticals which required high attention from the perspective of automation. And one of this is efficiency, I would say.
Yeah.
Just mentioned by Mr. Satyan that the speed of an with an example of speed of an edge bander. So in initial days, we were doing work with power tools. Then machine came into the picture. Then having a machine was an edge. If in 100 factories, there may be 10 factories, those who are having all the machines in the factory, and other will have a lesser number of machine or are not able to have that machine. But now with the growth in last 2 decades, at least if someone want to have a machine in their factory, they can really afford as per the requirement what they want to make and as per the market they want to cater. Okay, so now the game comes to the point like how efficient we can be. And efficient is not about how much more we can produce. It's about we can produce same thing, but how much at a lower cost. Okay, so I would like to say the automation is or the innovation required over here is more related with the efficiency, how we can produce the same amount of furniture or the same grade of furniture, same quality of furniture with using less resources and less wastage.
Yeah, less
Okay,
wastage.
so one of this, and second, what I think over here is still not in top three priorities of the industry so far, and the reason is we all know that the industry is the sector is very unorganized at the moment. So the thing is safety.
Yeah.
Safety in the workshops. So safety in the workshop so far is not something which is in the priority 1, 2, 3 in the list of the manufacturer. Okay, we all try to explain this to the the operating team, the production team, but this is still something which is lacking far behind. So having innovation and automation in the direction of safety where we can provide a cleaner environment to the production team.
Yes.
So that the health of a human is improved. Because at the moment, the health of the person who is working in the factory is pathetic.
Perfect.
It's not up to the mark.
Absolutely.
Okay. And that is something which we have to learn from the other industries also, like how we can do that and how we can put ourselves more into it so that the more factories become more habitable. First thing, cleaner environment. Secondary, in the machines also, what we can introduce more so that the operational point is also safer. Like they can operate the machine with more of a security and more of a safety. So the accident which happens at the moment with the operators or the production team automatically reduce at the Felder. So these are the two verticals where I think the innovation and the automation required at the moment, because in the machines for sure we all are doing good work as far as their capacity, understanding and R&D is involved. But this is where we have to join hand with the machine manufacturing as well as furniture manufacturer.
Correct.
So this will impact both the sides.